Hi, this is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing, and this video tutorial is for the Kentucky Realty Corporation. This video is going to show you how to make simple changes to your website when you guys have new property managers and bookkeepers per association. So what I've got open here is the live site on this tab, and then I've got the dashboard on this tab. So let's go to the dashboard. I will send you the username password, but you should already have it. It's the same login as the last website version. So all you're really going to need to do is go to pages, click all pages. So this lists all the pages on your website. Let's click back over to live site so you can see. So it's got all these pages. And the only areas that I think you're going to change are going to be who we serve. So on the Who We Serve page, it's got the association name, the site manager, and the bookkeeper. This is what seems to change a lot, the people who are doing the managing of the site and the bookkeeper. So if that changes or you need to add, let's go back over here. Let's go to Who We Serve page. And all you have to do is hover over and hit edit. This is the Avada theme on this website. It works a little different than the previous theme you guys had. It's kind of a building block system, so it tries to make it a little basic and easier. So all you do is hover over it, click on edit. This is the big box that's got everything. Hit edit. And then it takes you to a pop-up box. And I've set this listing up as a table. It gets a little feisty when you start messing with it too much. So just to warn you, kind of just got to be careful. But you can scroll down and see I've got everything listed here. So if you want to change something, let's say you want to change the site manager, all you have to do is go into that cell. And I'm going to go ahead and just put Jennifer Griffin. Highlight it. Hit link. Now you're linking to an email here, so you don't put www or https like you would a normal hyperlink. You put mail to : and then you put my email address, Jennifer Griffin at gofetchmarketing.com, and hit apply. Done. Click out now. Just because I said it's finicky, I click outside the table and it should be done. You can actually go back and hover over it. Highlight it just to see that it's done. Click back out, hit save. And then you're going to have to hit update at the bottom here because you're updating the whole page. So it's save and then update. Okay, then you can click view page, or you can go over to the live site and just hit refresh. And you can see right here it says Jennifer Griffin. So if we click that, it'll take us over to a pop-up box. All right. So let's go back to edit page and let's get rid of that and stick it back to Dan. So hover over, hit edit, highlight, delete, Dan Rapp, highlight, hyperlink. Remember it's mail to : dr@kyrealtyonline.net. Don't forget to hit apply, save, update. And now it's back to Dan Rapp. I'm going to make another video on how to just do general changes, but I wanted to go ahead and get this one because I know you guys will be doing this a lot. And what I just did applies to any hyperlink with someone's email address. So if you need to change this, the bookkeeper too. So that's the end of this video, and I will make another video on other things that just general changes to the site, like content that you might want to make. Thank you.